Hi guys, Sai is here back with another interesting and most important video, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix play integrity or strong integrity on your old Android devices, old version Android devices. For example purpose, recently I make a lot of videos but all are Android 13 or above version, but now talking about the devices which present on old Android versions like 11, 12 or below 13 Android versions devices. So on that devices this issue not will be fixed because a lot of errors, a lot of issues came and no one made video on this topic. So I think about that, so I made one video on this topic. So let's talk about how to fix this issue. Okay, must follow my instruction till the end without skip any part. For example purpose, this is my Android 11. Okay, and I'm using stock ROM. Don't know on custom ROM, but try this method on custom ROM also. I think this method is work on custom ROM also, but in stock ROM it's working fine without any issues. Just you need to follow all instruction properly till the end. Okay, so let's move on the process. Okay guys, you need to download some important modules. I will provide module link on pin comment and description also. So download these all modules and follow the instructions step by step. You need to install one by one module in sequence wise. So definitely you need to follow this step, otherwise you need to face any errors or issues. So avoid these issues or errors, you need to follow sequence wise. Okay, so here it is, we have different type of modules and one APK. Okay, so first of all your device is rooted. Better if your device is rooted with latest Magisk. Okay, but if you're using kernel issue or a patch, maybe some issues will be came. So must install these all modules and follow this all instruction on Magisk latest version, it is better. Okay, so here it is, my device is already rooted with Magisk latest version 30.6, right? So first of all go on module section and install all the modules step by step. So first module you need to install, which is Zygisk next. Okay, after install again go on install section. Now install Tricky Store. After that install Tricky Store add-on. Okay, so after done this both modules, you need to install next module, which is Play Integrity Fork module. I repeat, this is Play Integrity Fork. Again go on install section. Now install Integrity Box. Okay, and if any update is came of Integrity Box, then update it. Okay, so now next module, which is very important module. Okay, so before we are move on next module, if any update is came of any module, then update it. Okay, so here it is, all modules are updated. Now click on reboot system. Okay, when reboot is done, now unlock your device. Now let's move on Magisk. Now go on module section. Okay, and here it is, the Zygisk is enabled. Okay, all the modules installed successfully, and if you check Zygisk status, the Zygote is enabled. Right now go on file manager, open download section, and you need to install this application. The application name is KSU Web. So install this app. Okay, after installation is done, open the app, then give the grant permission to root access for this application. After that, here it is, we need to click on Tricky Store. Click on Tricky Store, then here it is, give the grant permission if it asks again. Okay, now here it is, we have this interface. Click on right side 3 dots, then click on first box again. Now click on this disk, select unnecessary, then click on key box. Now click on valid key box. Okay, so here it is, we get pop-up message. Now click on key box, and if the valid key box is not showing, then you can set custom key box. Okay, so valid key box is available, then click on just valid key box. Okay, if any valid key box is not available, you can click on custom and you can load any custom key box. Okay, so here it is, in my case valid key box is working, so select valid key box. Now click on set security patch, then click on get security patch. After that click on save button. Okay, now click on save button on bottom right side. Done, it's done. Now go back again, go back. Now click on Play Integrity API check, and here it is, the basic integrity is passed, but still device and strong integrity is not passed. Now what is next step? Open Magisk, then go on configure deny list. Now check all the boxes of Google Play services and Google Play Store. Okay, check this both boxes with allow all the toggles. Now recheck integrity, and as we can see, same here it is, only basic is passed. Now what is next step? Now open Magisk, click on settings icon. Now hide the Magisk application if not hide, and now came in module section. Now here it is, click on this play integrity fork action button. Okay, so it will take some time. Make sure your device connected with internet, and now we need to wait some time. When it say close, then click on close. Now recheck the play integrity. So let's check the play integrity. So here it is, we can see device integrity is now passed, basic and devices passed. Now what is next step? Okay, as you can see, in my case I passed strong integrity, but if you want to pass strong integrity, make sure the valid key box is available. And if the key box is available and if it's already SoftBank, then the strong integrity is not going to pass. So note this point. Okay, now what is next step? If you want to pass strong integrity, you need to install one more module, but note that that module is closed source module, so use it in your risks. Okay, so I will show you that what is the module. Wait, so in deny list, these two boxes make sure ticked. Now go on module section, and as we can see here it is, the lspos it module is, you need to install this module to pass strong integrity. And one important note, don't update this module. If it shows update, but don't click on update, so note this point. Okay, so just install this module, but note that this module is closed source, so use it on your risk. I'm not responsible if something gonna happen wrong with you, so note this point. Okay, so this is the video. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.